Hey everybody, so today we're going to do an unboxing of this Polène Paï Bag. So some stuffing here I'm going to take out. So it's just a Polène box inside the cardboard. I do like the box's design. It's very minimalistic. So here it's got the little label and the number of the bag. And it's just a plain box. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in. Let's take a look. Okay, it's a tight fit. And that's what she said. Oh, here we go. Alright, so that's the bag on a postcard. I'll take a look at that a little bit later, but this is pretty nice. This is a limited edition piece. Packaging is really pretty. This is the dust bag. So this is the weirdest bag I have ever purchased in my life. This is more of an art piece rather than a bag, I think. So it's kind of meant to be like displayed or maybe just used for very special occasions. So this does feel very delicate here because it's like straw and it's kind of wrapped around and binded with these leather strips. So what do you guys think? This comes with a shoulder strap. So let me just open this up. Okay, this is kind of hard to open up. There you go. So the magnetic is pretty strong. It's a teeny tiny bag on the inside. I guess this is more like a clutch size. But I will have a full review of this bag next week. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you next time.